Okay, today we will discuss about how to draw tangent and normal and how to draw parabola in eccentricity method. Okay, we have directrix from focus 60 mm distance, draw tangent and normal. Okay, draw parabola and draw tangent and normal. Okay, we will discuss about how to draw tangent and normal, how to draw parabola in eccentricity method. Okay, in parabola this is directrix line. Okay, this is directrix, this is axis line. Okay, this is directrix line. Directrix from focus 60 mm. Okay, mark the 60 mm distance. Okay, mark 60 mm distance. Okay, this is focus point. Okay, this is F focus point and this is C curvix on directrix. Okay, this is directrix point. Okay, point on the directrix. Okay, the next in parabola eccentricity E is equals to 1. Okay, parabola eccentricity E is equals to 1. No, that means CF is equal CV is equal to VF. Okay, from vertex to focus, focus to curvix, the distance is equals to, okay, VE is equal to CV is equal to VF. Okay, the next this is we have 60 mm distance, that means the V lies at 30 mm. Okay, V lies at 30 mm point and from this 30 mm height. Okay, 30 mm height. Okay, this is E and this is V. Okay, the next after that, okay, V is equals to VF. Okay, V is equal to VF and CV is equal to VF. Okay, in this parabola by why, because E is equals to 1. Okay, E is equals to 1. Okay, the next from this C extend a line from E. Okay, extend line from E. Okay, the next divide this axis line with equal parts. Okay, divide this axis line with equal parts with 1 mm or half mm. Okay, divide this axis with equal points. Okay, divide with axis is equal points. Okay, okay, draw the lines. Okay, draw the perpendicular line to axis. Okay, draw the perpendicular line to axis, draw the perpendicular line to axis. Okay, draw the perpendicular line to axis. Next, with your compass C as the center, you have to numbering these lines to 1 2 3 4 5 6 etc. Okay, next C as the center. Okay, this is the C as the center, 1 as the distance. Okay, C1 as the distance. Okay, C1 as the distance. Okay, C1 as distance from F as the center, from a focus as the center, cut this one line. Okay, cut this, make an arc and one line. Okay, cut this one line. Next C2 as center, from F as the C2 as the distance, from F as the center, cut this 2 line. Okay, cut this 2. Next C3 as the center, CC as the distance, F as the center, cut this 3. Okay, next C4 as the center, C4 as the distance, F as the center, cut this 4 line. Okay, the next repeat this up to this, repeat this up to equal lines. Okay, repeat this up to this equal lines. Okay, C5 distance with F as the center, cut this 5. Okay, cut this 5. Okay, okay, after then from vertex. Okay, after then from vertex join this arcs. Okay, joint this arcs. Okay, joint these arcs. Okay, joint, draw a curve from those arcs. Okay, okay, make thicker line. Okay, make thicker line. Okay, This is your parabola. Okay, this is your parabola. Next we have to draw tangent and normal. Okay, tangent and normal. Select a point. Okay, without any distance. Okay, if you may examiner mentioned in distance. Okay, measure the distance. Otherwise, select a point on this curve. Okay, on the parabola curve of parabola. Select a point. Okay, select a point with the help of scale joint. Select a point, name as M. Okay, select a point, name M as P or P. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, joint this point and focus. Okay, joint this point and focus. Okay, next with the help of protractor, from focus as the center, from focus draw a line exactly perpendicular to this line. Okay, draw a perpendicular line to this point from focus. Okay, the next after that draw line, extend the line up to directrix. Okay, extend the line up to directrix. Okay, from this point, okay, draw lines from this intersection points. Okay, draw a line from this intersection point. Okay, this is the tangent T dash. Okay, this is tangent T dash. Okay, this is tangent. Tangent means the line touches at one point on the curve, that called as tangent. Okay, this is the tangent. Okay, next we have to draw normal. Okay, normal is always perpendicular to tangent. Okay, from this point, drop, select perpendicular line. Okay, select perpendicular line of tangent. Okay, select 90 degrees. Okay, this is 90 degrees perpendicular to this tangent line. This is tangent line. Draw the normal from this point. Okay, draw the normal from this point. Okay, this is n dash. Okay, this is the process of construct a parabola and construct a tangent and normal for this tangent. Okay, tangent T dash, next normal n dash. Okay, this is the process to draw tangent and normal for parabola for eccentricity method. Okay, this is eccentricity method.